Design International School values every special day, ensuring that students not only recognize but also truly understand their significance.
As we celebrate World Malaria Day today on April 25th, the students of Ryan International School Nerul have gathered for an interactive session with the representatives of the Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation.
The theme for World Malaria Day 2025 is Malaria Ends With Us. Reinvest, reimagine, reignite. Here are some glimpses of the interaction.
घर के ऊपर अगर कोई छत रहेगा उसके अंदर अगर पानी एक्यूमुलेट हो जाएगा तो पानी के अंदर वो लार्वा आ सकते हैं।
We prevent malaria from spreading.
See, as I already told you, malaria is caused by female Anopheles mosquito, and the breeding places for these mosquito is the clean stagnant water. So this clean stagnant water is seen inside the house, in the terrace, on the terrace of the society and in the campus. So whatever small collection of waters, like all feng shui items, water is there, so that is clean collection of water. The pot which is plate which is kept below the flower pot, that is also a collection of water. Then the tray behind the fridge, there is also clean collection of water. So all clean stagnant water collection is the source of mosquito breeding. So as you already know, prevention is better than cure. So to prevent these mosquito, we have to eliminate these mosquito breeding sites. So whatever water collection sites are there inside the house, in the terrace of our own house as well as the society, we have to make it clean. At least you have to change the water from the water sources at least once in a week and make them dry and change it.
मैं मच्छर बोलूं, मेरा नाम है डेंगू मलेरिया चिकनगुनिया फैलाना मेरा काम है। चुपके से मैं आऊं, डेंगू मलेरिया में फैलाऊं। सिर्फ एक चीज से डरता हूँ, मच्छर मारने की मशीन। हे बोलो, जन जन का यही हो नारा, डेंगू मलेरिया मुक्त हो देश हमारा। जहाँ पानी का ठहरा वहाँ डेंगू मच्छर का फैला। दूर होगी डेंगू मलेरिया की बीमारी जब होगी हम सबकी भागीदारी। मलेरिया और डेंगू से सावधान रहे, स्वस्थ जीवन अपनाएं। मलेरिया और डेंगू को हराओ, देश को स्वस्थ बनाओ।
Share your thoughts on this interactive session, ma'am.
I would like to thank the Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation for creating such a wonderful session, really, which was helping every child to combat the vector diseases like malaria and dengue. Overall, the session began with a quiz where they brought out an idea about a tiny mosquito can kill so many people. Later on, it went on to bring about what are the areas and how malaria is being caused by and the way we can prevent it. It starts from our house, indoor and outdoor. How can we take precautions to prevent malaria and dengue? So the children found it really very useful and they were told to start right from prevention is better than cure, and prevention begins from their home, where by their word of mouth publicity they can create awareness among the society, and we can make Navi Mumbai a malaria free Navi Mumbai. And also we ended up with a slogan, malaria ends with us, reinvest, reimagine and reignite. Thank you.
We would like to thank all dignitaries for sharing such valuable insights.
At Ryan International School, we pledge to protect our environment and promote well-being to all. We believe every student is a change maker. Fighting diseases isn't just for doctors, it's a shared responsibility. On that note, this is YJ Sanjit Premanand.
And this is Vajita Pasya signing off from Young Journos on Ryan TV.